Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahnaf Al Adil, but you can call him Ahnaf because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to do a presentation on speaking practice. Number one, have to. That means করতে হবে. I have to go. আমার যেতে হবে. Number two, need to. That means প্রয়োজন. I need to sleep. আমার ঘুমানোর প্রয়োজন. Number three, can. That means পারা. I can do it. আমি এটা করতে পারি. Number four, may. That means সম্ভাবনা. It may rain. That means বৃষ্টি হতে পারে. Number five, could. That means পারতাম. I could run fast. আমি দৌড়তে পারতাম. Thank you for watching my video. Bye next time and be back with another fantastic presentation. Bye, for now.